to you all. Welcome back to Esther Sunday YouTube channel. Here in Netherlands this evening. According to your time, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. So guys, this is Esther Sunday Kitchen. Please guys, if you want to know how I made this amazing, delicious egusi soup, please guys, stay tuned and watch this video and see how amazing it is, how I started it, all the ingredients that I used to make this delicious soup. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to Esther Sunday YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe by pressing the red button and hit the notification bell. Anytime I upload video, you will be the first to be notified. And also don't forget to comment at the comment section below what you think, guys. Your thumbs up means a lot, and your comment also means a lot, and your subscribe means a lot to me. Please guys, stay tuned and see the amazing cook, the way I cook it, the way I make it, the way I make everything with the ingredients. This egusi soup you are seeing is all the way from Nigeria. This egusi you are seeing all the way from Africa to here. All the things that I use from Africa, apart from the spinach. So guys, thank you. Stay tuned and watch this video. Bye bye. Good evening. Welcome back to Esther Sunday YouTube channel. How is everyone doing? How is my amazing family doing? First and foremost, I want to say a big thank you to all my old subscribers and my new subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Guys, guess what? You can see this pot is getting like smoking out of it. I forgot that I have to make a video of this, my delicious egusi soup I'm about to make, guys. So I said, oh my god, no, I have to record this, because you guys have to see how a Nigerian girl like me will prepare egusi soup from those states, the way I make my own egusi soup. Everybody have different way though, but this is my way. Okay, so unfortunately I already sliced my meat, wash it, and put onions. And what I have here is just goat's meat and the vein and the shaki. That's what I want to use to make this delicious egusi soup. So guys, I want to say once again, thank you to my old subscribers and my new subscriber. You guys are amazing. Without you guys, there will not be Esther Sunday YouTube channel. And also, please, if you have not subscribed to Esther Sunday YouTube channel, please kindly go and press the red button. And guess what? Hit the notification bell. Anytime I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. And also, don't forget to give me comment at the comment section below what you think about this Nigeria delicious egusi soup. Lekker. That is me. In Dutch is lekker. In English is yummy and delicious. So guys, let me show you the ingredients I'm about to use. This is one of the things I'm about to use, is my meat, my goat's meat, my vein, and my ishaki. That's what I'm using to make this delicious meat. So let's go and let me go and show you the things, the rest things. Okay guys, come on with me, go with me. So guys, this is my egusi. You can see this is my egusi soup. And I said soup, sorry, this is my egusi dish, is mellow. Okay, this is my egusi. It's already blended. And also I have my boga fish and the barrier. I don't know what they call it in English. And this thing that I'm using, guess what guys, on normal basis I don't use it to make my food most of the time. It's because my girlfriend went to Africa and she she have a lot and she gave me some, and you know, all the way from Africa. This is what you are seeing. The egusi is all the way, this egusi is all the way from Africa to Netherlands. Okay, and this is my boga fish and my barrier. I don't know what they call barrier in English. Anyway, so this is what I'm using. So thanks to my girlfriend Becky Black that brought it for me. Okay, and this is my crayfish, also all the way from Africa to me. Thanks to my girlfriend once again. That's why I want to make this egusi soup for myself this evening, for you guys to see that this is what you can make out of it, not just to have your things at home without not making it, you know, for your family. You can make it for your family, for your friends to enjoy. And you know, this egusi soup, everybody love it. everybody, foreigners love eating egusi soup. Where I live in Netherland, Suriname love egusi soup very much. In the party, in anywhere, they love it. It's a thing that you have to try and test, and it's so delicious. Okay, so what I'm about to use now is also with this crayfish. Let me show you the other. I just boiled my tomatoes and my pepper, and also what else? Tomatoes, pepper, and onions. That's what I blend here. I want to use it as well for this egusi soup. Okay, and this is the fresh pepper that I use to make this egusi soup. Okay, fresh pepper. Lekker. And also this is my palm oil that I'm about to use to make this delicious soup. You see, palm oil, which is my red oil. Okay, and also this is onions. Also I'm using this is spinach. I added spinach to it. Blender. This is my blender that I'm going to use now to blend my pepper. Okay, also this is my mackerel. I'm using mackerel. Okay, let me see if you can see it properly. This is my mackerel. I'm using it to make this delicious egusi soup. Egusi soup. I can't wait to test this food. I'm so famished. Okay, let me show you the next thing, guys. This is my salt. Okay, I have it in my bowl. This is my salt, and also I'm using 2 cubes of Maggie. Okay, now I have to peel my no cube of Maggie to boil my meat now. Okay, though you won't see me when I'm doing that. Also, this is my what do you call, powder Maggie. Okay, guys, that is chicken powder Maggie. So guys, you can see I already put my 1 cube of Maggie. So now I'm putting a powder chicken Maggie. This is a teaspoon of salt. I'm putting 2. Okay, and think that is all for now. Then what I will do, I will close my pot. I'll be back in 20 minutes to check my meat. Okay guys, stay tuned to the end and see the outcome of this delicious egusi soup. Stay tuned, guys. I love you. Okay guys, you can see our meat is ready. Our meat is ready. So now we have to make our soup. You can see I already poured the meat on my plastic. Don't forget to soak your soft fish with the embe barrier and my, what do you call, boga fish, in case there is any sand in it. You can be able to wash it out. Okay, also I already ground my pepper. So now I have to put my palm oil. Okay, so I already pour my palm oil. I have to bleach it out. So now adding my onions. My, what do you call, my egusi. So I'm molding it like this. Make sure you steam it, okay? So now I'm about to add my tomatoes. I'm using one hand, guys, okay? So now I'm adding my pepper. So now, guys, let me add my crayfish. I'm adding my crayfish. Make sure you lower your gas, okay? Because you know the beans is still on a steamy way. You are steaming it, okay? Then I'm using one hand, guys. It's not easy. Nobody to record me. Powder chicken Maggie. One cube of nor. The nor strong go. Oh, mamma mia. 1 cube of nor is the first one because I have to break it, okay? Because it was too thick. It was too strong, I need to say. This is salt. So guys, now I have to pour my meat. So guys, I want to pause I'll be back because I can't use the two hands to turn this thing. I can't use one hand to turn it. Sorry, I need the both hands. So I need the both ends or hand. Guys, I'm back. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, you can see my egusi soup is ready. I put my meat inside already. So what I'm about to do now, I don't have to put any Maggie or any sauce or any what do you call, salt or Maggie or anything. I already done that before. So now what I want to do, I have to put my fish. Okay, so now guys, I have to put my mackerel. Okay, now I have to put my beaver here. And my burger fish. So let me add my spinach. This one is my dry bitter leaf. So let me close it. I'll be back in 10 minutes to check. Thank you so much guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to Esther Sunday YouTube channel, and also don't forget to give me a comment at the comment section what you think about this delicious egusi soup that I just made. And also please, if you have not subscribed to Esther Sunday YouTube channel, kindly subscribe by pressing the red button and hit notification bell. Anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Stay tuned to the end. Okay, bye. So guys, let's check our soup. Let me turn it guys. Mamma mia. Please, 1 minute guys. So guys, you can see our stew is almost ready. I'll be back again to check in 5 minutes. Okay, so guys, you can see our egusi soup is ready. It's ready. So guys, our egusi soup is ready. is ready to be yummy, yummy, yummy. So guys, I want to say big thank you to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for your thumbs up. Thank you for your like. Thank you for your comments. Please, I want to say big thank you to all my old subscribers and my new subscriber. You guys are amazing. Please, if you have not subscribed to Esther Sunday YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe by pressing the red button and hit notification bell. Anytime I upload any new video, you will be the first to be notified. And also guys, don't forget to share this video, and also see you in my next video. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye bye.